Starling Bank Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're looking for a modern banking experience, the Starling Bank app promises to put full control of your money in your pocket. But is it really that simple? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming mobile banking is just for checking balances. With Starling, you can manage multiple accounts, make instant payments, set up savings goals, and even get real-time notifications for every transaction. For example, if someone tries to charge your card, you know immediately, helping you spot fraud quickly. Another advantage is budgeting and insights. The app automatically categorizes your spending, provides monthly summaries, and highlights patterns. This makes it easier to see where your money is going and adjust your habits without third-party tools. Starling also offers perks like fee-free international payments, overdraft options, and integration with Apple Pay and Google Pay, making it a solid choice for both domestic and global transactions. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional app crashes or slow loading times during high traffic periods. Customer support is mainly digital, which can feel impersonal if you prefer in-person help. Additionally, advanced features like business accounts or joint accounts may require separate setups. In conclusion, the Starling Bank app is perfect for people who value convenience, real-time tracking, and robust budgeting tools. The surprising truth is that while it's packed with features, a smooth experience depends on your internet connection and comfort with digital-only banking. For everyday banking and budgeting, Starling is a powerful tool, but if you rely on face-to-face service, it may not replace traditional banks entirely.